Okay. So what is the name?
Sir, my name is Anchal.
So Anchal, please tell me about yourself.
Okay, so sir, my name is Anchal Oja. My father name is Mr. Dinesh Kumar Oja. Basically, I'm from Rewa, Madhya Pradesh. About my family, there are five member in my family, including me. About my qualification, I had completed my schooling in year 2019. After my schooling, I had completed my graduation from APS University Rewa in year 2022. After my graduation, I had completed my full stack development certification from ProSkill.
Okay. What are the languages you have covered using your full stack development certification?
During the full stack development certification, I had covered two languages. First is a backend and second is a frontend. In a frontend, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, etc. And in a backend, Ruby on Rails, database MySQL.
Okay. So are you a fresher or do you have any experience?
Sir, I have experience from 6 months.
Okay. So have you made any project?
Yes, sir. I had completed two projects. First is a
Mhm.
city information and second is a e-commerce.
Okay. Explain your recent project, please.
So my recent project is a e-commerce which is based on e-commerce like Flipkart, Amazon, etc. There is a many several functionalities and features are added in my e-commerce project, but my role is authentication and authorization. Authentication and authorization is created by the help of gem device and also give the role of admin, supplier and customer with the help of role by gem, where admin role is control the admin panel and also handle the supplier and customer role, and supplier role is add the product to add card and also handle the customer role, and customer role is purchase the product and give the functionalities of pagination, where give many pages of our application and also give the functionalities of payment gateway method.
Okay. So what are the features of Ruby on Rails?
The features of Ruby on Rails is a MVC, active record, active job, and ORM, etc.
So what is migration?
In a Ruby on Rails, migration is a control and handle the schema of an application.
What is scaffolding?
Scaffolding is a quick way to generate a major pieces of an application.
Mhm.
When we created an model controller and view in a single model, so scaffolding is a best tool job, and it also created a CRUD operation.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is a listening song and playing cricket.
What are your weaknesses?
So my weaknesses is English, but I'm working on it.
What are your strengths?
So my strength is self-motivated and discipline.
So why do you want to switch the company then?
Because Riva is a small city, there is no opportunities of IT companies. So my own growth, I will change the other cities.
What is asset pipeline?
Asset pipeline in a Ruby on this asset pipeline is used for uh, sets the application of Ruby, such as HTML, JavaScript, and CSS assets.
What is sprockets?
Sprockets is a Ruby library, and it is a give the functionalities of an application, and it also assets the CSS assets, and it the part of the asset pipeline.
Okay. What is association in Ruby on Rails?
Association in a Ruby on Rails, association is a uh, give the communication between two active record model.
Okay. So, what is active storage?
Active storage in a Ruby on Rails, active storage is a where we store the our application file, and it is also called ORM library.
Okay. What is Docker?
Docker is a software platform where we build, test, and deploy our application.
What is rescue?
Rescue is a rescue is a also tool, and in a Ruby on Rails, its role is a working the working the development of our application, and it is store the our background job.
What is respect?
Respect, no ideas.
Okay. So why did he choose Ruby on Rails as the backend language?
Because backend language, because I will I my work on application only on backend role, and my front end is not good, so I will choose the backend because I will do work only backend Ruby on.
Okay. So, Anchal, what is polymorphism? Explain with a real life example
Polymorph.
and the types of it.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir, polymorphism is a combination of two words. Poly and poly means many, morphism means all. An object having different behavior is called polymorphism. The real life example of polymorphism is a person. A person have different role in a different places. Like at office, he is a employee, and at home he is a husband, son, and children. And the type of polymorphism is a first is a compiled polymorphism, and second is a runtime polymorphism. Compiled time polymorphism, when we created a method with the same name and same classes but different argument is called compile time polymorphism. And runtime polymorphism, when we created a method with the same name but different classes, is called runtime polymorphism.
Okay. What is the difference between multi-level and multiple inheritance? Explain
Okay,
with a
sir.
real life example, please.
Multi-level inheritance is used for one child classes and two one parent classes and two child classes inherit is called multi-level, and multiple inheritance is used for one parent classes and multiple child classes is called a multi-level inheritance. The real life example of a multiple inheritance where child inherit the property of their parents, and their parents inherit the property of their grandparents.
Okay. What is what is hierarchical inheritance? Example, please.
Hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is used for the one inherit the one child classes to inherit two or more than sub-child classes. The real
Example.
life example of hierarchical is a one child inherit the property of their parents.
What is data warehouse?
Data warehouse is used for the uh, group group and invalid verifying the
What are the limitations of groups?
limitation of oops. It is a not stored write code, and it is a problem solving, and it oh, sorry, sorry.
What is normalization?
Normalization is used for the databases for normalize the data, and it also the collect data to databases, and it is used for manipulate the data on the databases.
What is renormalization?
Sorry, sorry, Media.
What is access specifiers?
Access specifier is also called the access modifier. It used for the control the accessibility and visibility of a method. There is a three type of access modifier. First is a private, second is a public, third is a protected.
Okay. So, what is the use of GitHub?
GitHub is used for our we can store our we can store our data in a longer time, and it is used for the exchange our code from two or more than other person, and it is used for anytime anywhere.
Okay, what is the difference between Git and GitHub?
Git Git is used for the post the our project or application, and GitHub is also use the store our data in a longer time.
Okay. What is forking?
Foreign key,
Forking,
no ideas,
FOR. Okay.
no
What is the difference
ideas.
between fetch and pull?
Fetch and pull, sorry sir, no idea.
What is ORM?
ORM is a stand for object relational mapping. It is also called a it is also called a active job library, and it is used for manipulate the data in a databases, and uh, it is stored the data in a manually.
What is garbage collection?
Garbage collection is used for our application when we stored the space in our memory, so we cannot use the we cannot use the space, so garbage collection is automatically delete the space of memory.
What is the difference between DBMS and RDBMS?
Okay, sir. DBMS is a stand for database management system. It is a stored the data in a file form, and it is used for SQL. And RDBMS is a based on relational based database management system. It is stored the data in a tabular form, and it is used for MySQL.
What is callback function?
Callback function. Callback function is used for our databases when we call when we store the our function in a one when we stored our data in a one function, and also it recall the one or other places. So callback function are used for the in these places, and it recall the our function for one or more than other places.
What is higher order function?
Higher order. Sorry, sir.
What is current function?
No idea, sir.
What is API?
API is used for our application for exchange the our information to or more than other people, and it is used for with the help of internet.
What is hosting in JavaScript?
No idea, sir.
Are you comfortable to relocate to different city?
Yes, sir.
What is JSON?
No idea, sir. So JS के क्वेश्चन नहीं पता, अभी नए हैं मेरे लिए.
What is the salary expectation?
So my salary expectation is 3 to 4 LP.